Okay, this video is going to walk you through the seating chart process and how we set up all that. So we click the three hamburger menu, attendance, and seating chart. Before we can add a seating chart, we're going to have to add a room layout. So click add room layout. You can type in whatever you want to call it, seating chart, second period, and then click save and add seats, add multiple seats. Okay, and then for this example, I want 4 rows with 6 in the rows. Click save. So now it's generated enough student desks for 24. I can also click this teacher desk and then drag it wherever I want. Okay, then I can drag the student desks around. Like if I want to move them over here, make a group of 4, and then click save. And then I'm going to go back to my seating chart list. So now I've got my room layout, right? Now I got to put kids in these seats. So how am I going to do that? Well, now that I've got my room layout right there, I'm going to add the seating chart. So pick which class this is for because this determines the roster of kids that goes in there. All right. So make sure you've got the class selected. You can type your description, whatever you want to call it, and then save and assign seats. So now I've got my student names and I'm just dragging them over and dropping them. Once I can do all that individually, like I want this kid, I know these 3 kids are in the front row, whatever. Or I have this option to auto assign seats. And I like this random because maybe I just want to mix things up and throw all 24 of them in there, see what happens. Click save. Boom, now I've got them random. And again, I can do groups of 4. I can move desks around in the room layout, but I can move kids around here. So if I want to move this kid up to the front, move these 2 kids away from each other. Once I do all that, mix and match with the students, again, click save. So now I've got my room layout done. I've got my seating chart done. Now I'm ready to take attendance in the seating chart. So I click the 3 little lines, hamburger menu. I'm going to daily attendance. Click the class that you want it for. And then this drop down, change it from attendance mode, student list, to seating chart. So now it says seating chart, and I'm going to change all of these from present, tardy, present, absent, change it. It defaults to present, but I go in each kid and put absent or tardy for anyone else. And then I click save and back, and then you're done.